Fellas, today we are making the ultimate alpha breakfast wrap. This is a very, very simple recipe to make and something I like to have every so often. I wouldn't be having it every day, but maybe at the weekends. So we're going to use spinach and pork sausages and pork rashers, a wrap and some eggs, and of course a little bit of mayonnaise in there as well. You ain't going to see in my recipes turkey sausages or turkey bacon. If you want to make your recipes with that shit, go right ahead. Pop your sausages and rashers into the air fryer. It's just super quick and convenient. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and add some salt and then beat the shit out of them. Now let's make some scrambled egg. This is simple. Heat up your saucepan, a little bit of oil, have the eggs well beaten, pop them in and just keep stirring them until they're cooked into a consistency that you like. So now let's put it all together. Get your wrap, put down your spinach, little bit of mayonnaise, eggs on top of that, sausages on top of that, rashers on top of that, and now the fun part. Roll it all together. And an optional finisher if you want. Pop it back into the air fryer just to toast it up. And lads, there you have it, the ultimate alpha breakfast wrap. This is 705 calories. I hope you enjoy it. Giddy up.